What's up, everybody? It's your boy B here, and I'm gonna teach you in this video how to learn any language online on your phone, Android phone, or I think smartphone, basically, for absolutely free. So basically, you go to the Apple Store or Play Store, Google Play or whatever, and you type in Duolingo. Duolingo. Yeah, there we go. That's it. So basically, I have it. So you install it. All right. After you do, you go ahead and open it. And you have to log in. You have to log in. So basically, if you if you don't log in, you lose all your data. So basically, I logged in using Facebook. So that's my streak, 262 days. There it is, right here. And I got 430 crowns, and it's pretty cool. I've been speaking French ever since I started Duolingo. I never went into books, and it's pretty awesome. So, and basically, the proper way how to learn a language at Duolingo is you have to complete every level of you have to finish all the crowns, the gold ones. You have to reach the gold ones, 5 crowns. It's written right here. Everyone, don't just finish just like here. Okay, leisure, finished it. Let's go for the other one. Finished it. Finished only one, and let's go for the activities. Finished only 1 crown. Let's go for the preferences. No, you have to finish it to get to the gold one. Okay, so and that's it. Simple as you like it. And in no time you will be fluent. So good luck.